And now for some more Zanki tips with the AnKing. This video will be talking about how to find Pathoma cards within Zanki. Zanki used a ton of Pathoma. This is how you find them as you're watching the videos. Pathoma is an incredible resource, and Zanki used it in making most of his pathology cards, and so I'm going to show you kind of how to do that. I'm going to show you this chapter here, 4, 5, and 6. You got hemostasis, red blood cell, and white blood cell, just because they're easy to show. So we're going to go into our browser, and under Zanki hematology, you can see here's Pathoma heme, Pathoma red blood cell, Pathoma white blood cell. And once you go into them, the very important step is you need to organize everything by date created. If you don't have this in your top bar, right click and this will pop up, and then you need to make sure date created is clicked. He basically made them as he watched the videos. So you can see this one here is tagged anemia. You can see the first video there is anemia, and the next one should be micro and then macro. So if we scroll down a little bit, there you go, he's got into the microcytic anemia tags. And we'll have to go down even farther. There you go. There's macrocytic anemia. So you can also use the tags. See, here's Pathoma red blood cell is one tag. There's macrocytic anemia. So those are very helpful. All the Pathoma tags are very helpful. And then if you go into, for example, under respiratory, if we go to respiratory pathology, it doesn't necessarily say Pathoma, but when we go in here, you can see it is Pathoma respiratory. So most of the pathology stuff that he did is tagged as such. You can go down to the tags and organize by that as well. Now, it's important to mention in under Zanki immunology, here's chapter 1. Chapter 2 and Chapter 3, especially Chapter 3, this neoplasia chapter, Zanki didn't do anything. So the Blue Galaxy add-on, if you don't know what that is, I strongly recommend you go watch our video on how to download it, because they updated it for First Aid 2018. This guy, Blue Galaxy, did all of these neoplasia cards, and unfortunately they're kind of out of order and all over the place, but they do follow Pathoma. You might just have to jump around and use the search bar a bit. Chapters 1 and 2 are also kind of that way, so just be aware of that there are ads from Blue Galaxy. In fact, most of the Blue Galaxy ads come from Pathoma. He also has some from UWorld, and then he kind of follows along with the Boards and Beyond videos. So that is how you use Pathoma with Zanki. Thanks for learning with the AnKing. If you enjoyed this, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, please leave any and all questions and comments. Here's our email. We will try to make as many of these videos as we possibly can to help you as you study.